Our topic for today is congenital myopathy. Congenital myopathy is a rare inherited disorder that causes lack of muscle and muscle weakness in our baby. There are several different types of congenital myopathy. Congenital myopathy is causes by genetic change, mutation in our cerebral genes. Outlook depends on the type of severity in our condition. Congenital myopathy have 6 difference. There are 6 main types of congenital myopathy, but other rare types have also been identified. The different types in symptoms, severity, and treatment and option outlooks. The first type of congenital myopathy is central core disease. A central core disease is a type of core myopathy. Core myopathies are the most common type of myopathy. Most common siya. Then, typically, flappiness, hypotonia is in the infants. Ang makikita mo sa infants ay mga hypotonia. Children have delayed milestone and moderate arm and leg weakness. However, weakness and doesn't seem to worsen over time. The central core disease ay mga symptoms niyan: hypotonia, delay milestone, and moderate arm and leg weakness. The second types of congenital is mini-core multi-core disease. A disease is other type of core myopathy. It has been subtypes. Most subtypes include severe weakness in the arms and the legs and scoliosis. Spine curve is also frequently seen in breathing difficulties are common and weak eye movements can occur. Sa mini-core naman, scoliosis, spine curve, and weak eye movements. The third one is nemaline myopathy. Is another common congenital myopathy. Babies with nemaline myopathy typically have breathing problems and feeding issues. They also frequently have weakness in their face, neck, arms, and legs. In condition, skeletal completion such as scoliosis can occur. Dito naman, mga symptoms ng nemaline are feeding issue, weakness in their face, arms, and neck. The third one type of congenital myopathy is the centronuclear myopathy. It's a very rare congenital myopathy symptom. Symptoms include weakness in our baby, arms, legs, and face, droppy eyelids, and the problems with the eye movement and weak tends to worsen over time. The fourth one is myotubular myopathy. It's a rare kind congenital myopathy that usually affects male babies. Sa mga male to, flappiness and weakness are very severe. Breathing and swallowing difficult are common, and condition called osteopenia. Weak bones. Osteopenia, weak bones is commonly as well. Many children don't survive in their first year of life. What are the symptoms of congenital myopathy? Symptoms of congenital myopathy can be depending on the type. They can be present at the birth and development throughout infancy and childhood. The most common symptoms of congenital myopathy include flappiness, and natakal na, flappiness, hypotonia, loss of our children muscles weakness, difficult of breathing, development delay, delay in milestone, and feeding issues, falling, and stumbling.